Today I'm going to show you a quick flow with the tomahawk that you can integrate into any fitness workout to get rid of those nasty breaks that just waste time and don't do anything for you. I'm a big fan of integrating your technical training into your fitness workouts because it saves time and also it forces you to really slow down your breathing and get your focus right in order to get the technical details right. In case you don't know me, my name is Mike. I run Project-Archangel, and in Project-Archangel we are working on our personal development through the way of the warrior. Why am I calling this an X flow? I call this a flow because it can be repeated infinitely. That means once the sequence of techniques is over, you can go straight back in without having to reset and repeat the same sequence again, which means you can do a minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes if you want of the same flow over and over and over without ever having to reset. We're going to keep this one simple. I assume you have a basic understanding of the X, but I'll keep the terminology simple. So we're going to start off with the longest grip you can do, and we're going to have it in 2 hands, kind of as a somewhat peaceful starting position. Make sure you're always turning the hip into any strike or any movement that you do, okay? This is at least 50% of a successful technique, okay? Everything comes from the legs. I know you can't see the legs right now, which is a bit of a shame, but I hope you have some sort of basic striking, boxing, whatever martial arts training that has already taught you the correct hip movement. Starting position, we're standing slightly angled. We're starting off with a thrust to the throat. So a one-handed thrust like this. Then we're going to return, swing the axe, whoop, try to hit the neck, go through, catch it with the second arm, return, strike the other side of the neck, come from the top down in the skull, get it back out, hit from the side underneath the ribs, get it back out. Then from here we're going to slide down. The next strike is going to be at an angle, not like you would strike in boxing, but the opposite way, so that the angle of the blade is matching the angle of the neck. Okay, so it's between the bottom of the jaw and the shoulder. Trying to strike the neck like this. Okay, now you're in. I took a step forward. You are grabbing again with both hands. Now you can hook your hand over like this so you have a strong grip, and you're using the point to basically try to rip him down to the ground. If that doesn't work, you are going to slide the axe down, so you're grabbing it at the head but with the other hand, and you're stepping back again and using the momentum of the step back to hit him with the butt of the axe. And at this point you can re-grab it, you're standing angled again, and you're in your starting position. Okay, so I'm going to show this a couple of times. So boom, thrust, strike one, reverse strike, from the top, from the side, come back, grab it with the shortest grip possible, boom, step forward and hit him in the neck, re-grip it, pull down, slide to the shortest grip again, hit him on the step back. Okay, here, grab it again, boom, go back. So you can see there is an issue with clothing. So he had a shamak wrapped around his head, and the axe would actually get caught in the shamak and mess everything up. Okay, so always be prepared for stuff like that happening in real life. You can adjust that flow any way you want, as long as it does make sense. So I hope that helped you a little bit. See you next time.